The BRC-T1900G series high-speed computerized bar-tacking button sewing machine is generally suitable for sewing suits, trousers, jeans, sportswear, casual wear, underwear, bags, hats, and other sewing products. Multi-use. We created the first highly integrated electronic control system to optimize the mechanical structure, freely switch between bar tacking, button attaching, and small pattern sewer to realize multiple functions in one machine. The sewing range of small patterns reaches 50 by 60 millimeters, allowing you to redefine sewing equipment with a wide range of applicability sewing function, and owns large capacity pattern storage space, plenty of customized pattern storage, and different pattern loop sewing, allowing you to enjoy the convenience of technology. Special machine dedicated, super performance. BRC-T1900GY D2, specialized for sewing of chrysanthemum eyes such as hats and shoe uppers. BRC-T1900GL D2, specialized for the combined sewing process of boat socks. BRC-T1900GN D2, specialized for the splicing and reinforcement of fishing net ropes and dog chains. BRC-1900GM D2, specialized for the reinforcement sewing of knitted fabrics such as underwear, bras, underwear, etc. BRC-1900GMC D2, specially used for the thread tail bar tacking for the garments like underwear, leggings, shorts, yoga clothes, etc., which have long thread tail after sewed by flat seamer and overlock machine. BRC-1900GH D2, specially used for sewing thick materials such as jeans and backpacks. The needle is cooled during sewing and the sewing thickness is easy. BRC-T1903GR D2, auto button feeding. It is easy to operate for fresh workers. BRC-T1903GAK D, mainly used to sew 4-hole, 6-hole, and 8-hole snap buttons with an outer diameter of 10 to 25 millimeters and a button diameter of 2 millimeters. BRC-T1906GPA D2, specially used for elastic stitching of underwear, sportswear, children's clothing, yoga clothing, home clothing, warm clothing, hats. Valuable service. We develop more user-friendly functions and create a dot matrix display to quickly master multiple modes to realize parameter switching and adjustment. In some key moments, restore to factory parameters through one-key restore, reduce unnecessary waiting time, and adopt oil-free head design to prevent oil pollution, improves the quality of clothing, and enhances your experience. BRC-T1900G Series Electromechanical Integrated Computer Bar Tacking Button Sewing Machine.